Zing, zing, zing. So here I've folded it in half and put the crease on my forehead and move back wherever you want to place your bun. This is time for placement, and I'm going to start twisting. You can tie it in a knot or you can just twist it and let it be there, but now we're going to create the bun with a different head wrap. Just twist it around our wrist like a bun there. Slip it onto the hanging piece that's already on your head. Start to spread the base color, which here is purple, around the gray to cover up the gray. So the objective here is to completely cover up the gray because the only color I want to see is purple. So we're going to start to wrap it around and tuck. Wrap and tuck. Take the second piece, spread it out. And you want to spread it from the inside of the bun out because it tightens the bun closer to your head there. I'm going to take that and wrap that around the opposite direction that you wrap the first piece around to secure it. Get it behind your ears. Wrap and tuck. Wrap and tuck. If you have any loose ends or extra pieces, wrap and tuck. And voila!